Right. Right. All right. We are back with another live stream. So this is gonna be a pain in the ass because these levels are really tough. It's not easy to crack this one, but we're gonna do it anyway. Come on. Where's the burp suit? Wow. Thank you. Thank you for sharing your love. Where are we anyway? I think net is 27, right? Oh, not this one. All right. What's the next one? Cherry tree. It's taking its sweet time. Okay. There you go. 27. Closing all of them to save resources. Open the browser. From 27 and all the way to 33, it's gonna be pain in the ass for sure. So we'll see how fast we can go and be done with it. Let's see. Natus. I guess it's 27, right? Hang on a second. 27, that's right. Natus 27. Okay, it's gonna be username and password again. So we can try to use double quotes. Okay, this user was created. What the hell? So can I just log in? Oh, once I log in, it just dumps the username and password. Interesting. Database gets cleared every 5 minutes. So this is what it looks like. Username and password and varchar 64 bytes. Okay, so that's a buffer that's already exists. So what we can do is we can keep some empty characters to run that. Let's see how to do that. Actually, I cannot do it right here, so I have to go back, intercept, let's say run, and then maximum I can do is night is 28, right? And then %00 should give null characters, and I should create these null characters like how many times? 64 times. More than that possibly. Yeah, 4 5, and then take this, Control C, 1 2 3 4 5, and then this should actually work, and I'll end it with something else, and let's see that actually works. What would be the password? I can keep HM Cyber Academy. All right, so let's post it, and this should create the user. Okay, cool. Let's see. Okay, we have all the null characters we need. Okay, let's go back. Now let's say Nate is 28, and then HM Cyber Academy. This should give us something. Oh, look at that. Cool. Easy. Yes. Control C. Nate is 28, and this. All right. Let's go to Nate is 28. I'm sure this definitely is gonna be pain in the ass. Oh my god. $28. This is definitely not in the comfort zone. Nate is 28, and this. Okay. All right, let's see. There's a joke database that just dumps all the databases, and let's see. We have this query we can inspect. What can we use? Can we use CyberChef? Okay. And first thing we need to do is URL decode, base64 decode, and we got some random characters. What should we do? Let's convert them to hex. That should actually probably give us something. And space delimiter, none. Okay, so if I give the space as delimiter, it's just okay, cool. I'm just giving none. Okay, where's none? bytes per line, 16 bytes per line. That should give something like this. Okay, so I'm gonna make a duplicate out of this, so we have something to work on. So anyways, it's gonna be a pain. Let's see what we can do. Intruder, can we capture this request? And let's see. Okay, let's go back. Let's keep A, and then before we jump into the search, let's intercept and send it to intruder. Can we repeat this as many times as we want? Okay. Payloads. ECB block shuffler, should I use this? Or custom iterator? I think I should use this position 1 custom iterator. Recursive grep, run brute forcer, null payloads, character prober. Should something I'm missing over here? ECB block shuffler. Okay. Can we find a pattern that actually works? Need to see what the pattern is. Let me have a look. Okay, I got an idea. Let me use brute forcer, but remove everything over here. And min length 1. Let's keep max length of something, say 50. So it should be something like this. Any pre-processing not needed. So let's roll and see what happens. Okay, all we got is 302s. Okay, so this is gonna be a pain. Save results table, or no, save responses, that would be better. Save server responses, documents, over the wire, natus, and new folder, natus 28. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay, we have something like this. So let's see. You're gonna enjoy this, whoever is watching, because this is a really tough one. Tough nut to crack, actually. CD, documents, over the wire, natus 28, and let's see, let's get 0. Okay, we have this, and let's see, let's grab everything. Let's say location, because we need that, and let's see how it goes. Okay. So this is the location, and we only want this part, and this part is being divided by equals to sign, right? There's no equals to on the left side, there's no equals to on the right side. So what we can do, we can just do this and cut -d, and this is the delimiter, and let's say field 2. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so now we're getting only this part. So we're gonna say redirect to file.txt or something. Okay, that should be cool. Okay, so let's use some good editor, something like this, or should I use such a complicated one for this? Not sure, but anyway. File.txt. Okay, this is the directory, right? Okay, cool. Yes, I trust it. File.txt. Okay. There's a sudden jump over here, and let me just close this, and there's a sudden jump over here. Okay, from here to here, how many lines? Let's say 30 minus 14, so that should give 16. Okay, 16, and from here to here it's 46 minus 30, it's 16. Okay, so it's like 16 bytes of data is increasing for every 16 bytes. Okay, cool. So it's like 16 block cipher. So what to do? I need to find a pattern. Okay, so look at this. This is constant, right? And from here, this is constant. Okay, so from here again, this is constant. So some block is being constant, right? So we need to find out what this is. Let's see. Let me just decode some of it, and that would give us some idea about what's going on. So let's go back. We know that this already exists. So let's copy. Let's keep a new file. Let's say, okay, I have to say something like Control-C, Control-V or something. Okay, cool. I'm gonna remove this, paste this, and say, okay, do I need to do it for all of them? Okay, let's do it for all of them. Okay, so now fork it. Okay, let me fork it from the beginning. Okay, can I do that? Okay, done. Merge split delimiter is this, merge delimiter is this. Okay, so I think just typed it twice. Okay, cool. So now let's copy this, Control-C, Control-V, and here we are. Okay, cool. This is gonna be interesting. 1, 2, 3. I think if I label them, it should be better. 4, 5, and 6. So this is where this actually expanded. So it's like, I think first one I need to ignore because I don't have anything over here. So it should be like, this should be number 1, 2, 3, 4, and there should be 5. Okay, from here, let's say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, right here, 13. Cool. Okay, so this is where the new block actually arrives. Let see if there's any chat. There's nothing. Okay, cool. I think I need to view a little bit bigger because I think you cannot see. File settings. Okay, let me use this. Okay, this is working. Cool. So this is a block cipher, right? So this is being constant. Okay, this has been constant for a while, but let's see. I'm gonna say this should be something like, okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, it's better if I label them 6 7 8. Okay, hang on, 9 10. Okay, 11 12 and 13. Okay, cool. So after this block is filled completely, and then a new block arrives into the game. Okay, so it's like that. Okay, cool. So this is where this actually happens. It's a little bit tricky to understand block ciphers, but we can get through this. I mean, no one's watching, but anyway, I'll get through this real easy. So this should be something like XXXXXX A. All right, so this should be done. And do we have a new block? Not yet. Okay, we need a new block, and I think I need to move to the bottom to see the pattern. All right, so I see the pattern, this pattern. Okay, cool. Let's go. Let's use this right here. So this should be like 1 2 3 4 5 7 okay, cool. So this is repeated over here, so I can detect this, and we're good to go. Right, let me keep this. Okay, now I'm able to detect block ciphers. Now what? Let's see if I can keep this, and then I need to go back and forth. It's gonna be really tricky, but this should be something like single quote union select at version and semicolon hash. Let's see, let's copy. I think it's better if I save it over here. Okay, cool. Now what? Now let's send it. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'll just drop this but send this. Okay, got nothing, but I got this, so I can use this on this, and okay, cool. So now I'll take this, go back to this, and paste it below this, And I know this is good, so this is bad. So let's use this again on the reverse side of it. So how can I make it reverse? So the reverse, I would say, is something ridiculous. Okay, there's nothing like this. Okay, cool. Come on, come on, come on. So first I need to say fork and delimiter none. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay, I've deleted that. So what now? What should I do? Hex is being removed, so I need to convert not to base 64. Come on. Okay, let's do that first. Let's do base 64. Okay, I got all this. Now let's do URL encode. Okay, so hopefully this would solve all the problems in the world, but it doesn't. Why doesn't it solve all the problems in the world? Hmm. From hex to base 64. Okay, I forgot one thing, I think. From hex. Okay, this is the one that I forgot. Okay, cool. So now base 64 to base 64. Okay, cool. Now we need to URL encode. Okay, cool. Encode all special characters. Now this looks cool. This looks amazing. Go back, delete, enter, and enter. Padding? No padding? What the hell? There should be some kind of padding. There, we missed a padding. How did we miss padding? Okay, I have enough padding over here. Okay, let's copy this. Let's see. Okay, it's a single string. Got enough padding though. But why doesn't it accept the padding? Zero padding found instead of this padding. Okay, there's something wrong. So I convert it from hex. Should I use delimiter? Okay, let me use split. I think split and fork does the same thing, but still let me use split. Delimiter, let's say line feet, and this one nothing, so which would join this. Okay, now it seems a little bit different. Let's try this. Oh my god, oh my god, did you see that? Okay, cool. Now we're getting into something. Okay, so now what I need to do is focus on this payload. Where's the payload? This is the payload. So what can I do? I can say password from users table, and let's see. So use this, and where should I use? I should use somewhere over here, and send it. Grab this encryption and go to here, paste it here, copy this, copied successfully, remove this, paste it here, just like before, replace this with this, and let's say Control C. Let's go to the next one and copy, and let's go here, and then paste it and hit enter. Hopefully this should solve. Oh my god, this just solved it. Okay, cool. Let's jump into the next one. Natus 29. What a pain in the lower back. Okay, cool. Let's see. We solved ECB encryption. Now let's see. Natus 29. And okay, we have solved two of them, right? But we did not submit it. We totally forgot that we're running this challenge. Where to submit account. This will take to the linked sites, and here I can say war boxes, and hopefully Natus and Natus 28. Let's check how much we progress. Oh, we got 2 viewers. That's so cool. Guys, you just missed out really awesome stuff. Let's go back and just check that we just solved ECB cipher. That was really cool. And let's paste this as well. Oh, come on. Speed up. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Did my rank increase? It wouldn't even reload. What the hell's going on? Interesting. Why do I need to do that? Okay, it just updated. Let's move on and submit the next one before we move on. Okay, no problem. Move on to the next one. Let's say more boxes. Okay, looks like I have submitted this. Okay, done. So using this, okay, hang on. Using this, what's my current ranking anyways? Current rank is 45. Amazing. I'm getting closer to Torhat. I think I should stop using Solomon after this challenge is completed. Um, let's see. Select playground. Okay. We have a file over here. It says something like this. Interesting. What should I do? Should I try directory traversal on this? Let's try /etc/passwd. Okay, for local file inclusion for directly, you can use this. /etc/password. Okay, this doesn't work. So file parameter, what should I do? Should I start using all the commands? Okay, it's Perl, right? So we need to check for Perl command injection. Perl command injection would say something like this, and then command, and then this, right? Okay, let me use ls. Okay, let me use this with the %00. Okay, this actually works. So can we directly go and get the flag? Let's see. Cat slash etc slash pass. Natus underscore web pass natus 29. 30. Oh, hang on a second. Oh, it's a meep. We have a meep here. Oh my god. Okay, it's a meep. Okay, let me try index.pl because that file actually exists. Index.pl. Okay, so it has few escape characters. Can you access ours? Okay, detects natus and make. Okay, so let's go back. Instead of natus, we can start using this and this somewhere like this. Does it work? Okay, it works. Control C, natus 30. It works. If it works, it works. Okay. What's the next step? Next step is to paste it here and make sure I surpass this incognito. Oh my god, incognito just had done 17 websites to get here, and I have done only 2 websites. How cool is that? It's tremendously cool. I know. Okay, I think I can stop using this to save resources or something like that. Next, file security permissions, survival, no. Okay. Let me just reload. Some sort of bug exists over here. Where is Solomon? Looks like Solomon just shifted to the previous, the previous page number 58. And I don't see Solomon over here. Should be, oh, here, look at that. Easy. And only 2 people have the same rank, and I have 2885. Let me update that right here, and then 44. Done. Right, moving on. Where is it? Oh, page. Okay, I'm in natus 30. Natus 30. Then paste. Not this. What? Natus 30 and paste. Okay, cool. I'm not sure. It didn't work the first time though. Okay, this is indexsource.pl. What do we have here? Username and password parameters, trying to connect to the database, and it's gonna check for codes in the user parameter. If it has, it just removes it, and okay, it just gives execute fetch if version has something in it, then win, or else fail. Okay. Okay, fail. You just failed over here. I think this is a good time to write some Python code or something. Let's see. Let me create a new directory. Natus 30. VS Code. Okay, open folder. Okay, save and close. Okay, create new file. I'm gonna say file.py. Okay, looks like I don't have this Python extension though. Python install. Okay, that should take care of it. Let me write the code. Okay, so we're gonna have some requests to be sent, right? So we can say import requests, and then we need to have some sort of authentication. So we're gonna say authentication equals to request dot auth dot http basic auth. So this basic auth will convert the whatever is inside to base 64 and then send it. Okay, so natus 30, that's all it does. And let's see. Okay, cool. So what else? Okay, cool. And let's see, authentication is finished. What else can we do? Let me say some input to this, and hang on a second. Okay, let's try that. Let's say this is an empty string, or I can say that this URL should be the one we need to worry about. So we can use single quotes, we can use double quotes, doesn't matter. And let's say parameters equals to this, and username equals to, and let's say string natus 31, and password, it should be under double quotes though. Password should be, let's say, we can say it like a blind injection or something. We can say false or true, which would say it is true. And we need to use some kind of SQL integer. So 4 is something, and 2 is also similar. So I think we can use any of them, 4 or 2 or something like that. So capture the response request dot post, and then here you can say all that u equals to the URL. I mean, this is an important call. Hang on a second. Sorry, that was an important call. Let's get back to business. Where were we? Okay. So we're trying to give a post request that contains the URL and some data. This data should contains all the parameters which we entered, and then authentication as well. So auth equals to authentication. Okay, so this one. So this looks good. We captured the response. So we should print the response. Let's say print and response dot text and save it, run it. Look at that. Easy. Control Shift C, and let's go here. Nate is 31 and this one. Hopefully this is the right one. Let's go and check right here. All right, let's move on to the next one. Is there anything in the chat? Okay. There's nothing in the chat. People are watching. Anyway. Okay, 154 points. Let's see. Cannot find ranking. Okay, what rank is it now? Okay, I'm one of these guys. 2836. Let me update that. And the country rank doesn't change. Let's see. What do we have here this time? Okay, I need to remove this. Change it to 31. And say native 31. Okay. Control C. Control V. Okay. So this is about CSV files. Okay. You can upload any file. Alright. So we can upload something that we have just created. Okay. File.py. And upload it. And it responded with the something like a CSV file. So whenever it sees a comma, it just divided those things into these kind of things. So there's a comma over here and there's a comma over here. So it just divided the whole thing into multiple of these things. So what can we do? So in this case, what can we do is we can say, let's say some command and close this. Let's see. Okay, we're not getting much. So let's see. And cat. Okay, the command has to begin with this. I forgot. Okay, cat space /etc/natus underscore web as natus 32. Let's see how it responds. Okay, it responds with nothing. Okay, so let's use this. Let's see the HTTP request, and this is how the post request is. Let's send it to repeater. So this is the cat /20. Okay, so at the end, let's try to keep a space, which is like %20. And in the beginning, God created this cat. Okay. Select a file to upload. Okay, we all like CSV file, nice rendering, sortable, cool. Okay. So we need a post request, something like this, because we send some data over there, right? All right. So let's use the same file to, let's say, copy this and send it to the next one. Paste. Let's send. Oh my god. Okay. It's the same thing. Okay. Nice. So let's remove this and let's keep the file as empty, and file name is empty. Content, let's say application and octet stream, because it's all binary, right? So we need to say octet stream, and here you can simply say argv. So this is going to be replaced with whatever is here. Okay. And what about this? And forget form data and upload and everything. Let's keep a blank over here. Let's see how it responds. and the file. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's make a copy of this and keep it right here. But this time let's gonna keep blank. This is gonna be the same, and let me keep some file name over here. So it should be something like f.csv or something, because it's expecting CSV, right? Interesting. So let's see how it goes. Let's see, send it. Okay, so this executed, like the argument here is going to be replaced with this, and once it reaches like application output stream or something like this, and this is going to be executed, and we got this, right? Okay, we can still use CSV files upload section to bypass something like this. That's cool. That's good to know. Next. Okay. Let's see the chat. There's nothing in the chat. We're gonna finish this today. Hopefully there's only 2 left. Oh, it's taking its sweet time. And in the meanwhile, let's move on to the next level, which is natus 32. Natus 32. Okay, we got it. Looks like it's the same thing again. What do you think? Should we go to 33? I think we should go to 33, right? Okay, but 31 does the same thing. Okay, hang on. Just reloaded this, reload this. We still have that request from before. We can actually copy paste this. Let's see. Okay, Solomon right here. Come on, 2800 and rank 43. Let's update that. And let's see. Okay. So let's do the same thing that we did before. Let's upload the file.py and let's go here. We have a post request, send it to repeater, and this is the same CSV, right? So we'll just copy the same content over here and replace this with this, and hopefully something would pop up. Okay, this should be like this. Okay, /bin. Okay, cool. Okay, we got nothing. Can say 33. Still got nothing. So there's something that's going on. So what do you think that is? Let's see the current directory and then decide what we need to do. Dot and then again a space. Let's see. Okay, let's say -L and let's send it. Okay, %20. Okay, we're getting nothing. So it's not detecting as a file, I guess. What should I do? I think there's nothing we can do. Everything is same. There's nothing we need to do. Let's actually remove this. Let's see if something just pops up. Okay, nothing's popping up. Let's think about it. Post index pser. Okay. Okay, this forward slash seems to be causing some problem. Well, there's nothing. Let's see. Let me keep the file name as blank. Let me remove this content and say org.v. And then let's continue and change this to application octet stream. Instead of submitting, we can make a copy of this again below and say this as blank. And what else? f.csv. Why does it has to cause a problem? Oh my god, now we have some content up. Before that we didn't get this. And now let's say /bin/ls and %20 and then say -L would long list it and then %20, there's a space again, and then %20, there's a space again, and this should dump. Oh my god, yes, we got something. So here we can actually get password. Okay, let's use this. Control C. How can I use it? By just using it. // this. Let's see. Okay, gotcha. The password is here. 33 and done. Just one more. Let me see the chat. Oh, Shibam, welcome. Hi Shibam, thanks for joining. Okay, 156 points. Let's reload. Okay. Okay, we're getting closer. Closer and closer to Torhat. Torhat should be somewhere near, I guess. Let's see. 2742. Okay. And what's the last one? Last one is again another pain in the ass. So let me just remove this file, and we should keep all PHPs now. So I don't need this file actually, so just remove. Let's change this file. Let's rename, and let's say PHP. Okay, cannot validate since PHP installation could not be found. PHP will execute in the config section. Okay, done. Do it. Okay, cannot find PHP. So I don't have PHP to run. Sudo apt install PHP. apt, let's search first. There's no simple PHP file right there. Why does it has to be so complicated? Why can't there be installed PHP? PHP, come on, come on, come on. Okay, let me just say Debian install PHP. Okay, this would solve the problem. So I have to say sudo y PHP now works. Cool. Okay, now can you detect PHP? Let's see. I can't run PHP files. Okay, so I have to say something like PHP resolves most of your PHP problems. Imports something, something, something. Well, I didn't have this problem before. Okay, anyway, let's continue. Let's create some small PHP file. So PHP echo something PHP. So how can I run this file? Okay, anyway, it should be running. So what should we do? It is 33. It is 33. And where are you? Okay, let me say file1 or rename cyber, or else you can say file1, and let's create it something like echo shell exec, and then inside you need to give a shell command which is something like cat/etc/natus underscore web pass natus 34, because that's what it does actually, so it doesn't need to have any other inputs. So just ending this with semicolon. So let's go and do file2.php, and this file2.php should have all the necessary things that they give in the source code. Okay, they give the executor class. Okay, cool. So they already gave the signature, but you don't need the signature. So you can still use the executor class signature true and then this false thing. And then do you still have a constructor? Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's copy. Let's say PHP and then class executor. But this one, we don't know the signature, so we're gonna simply say it as true, which means it's true for all the conditions. The file name should be file1.php. We're gonna embed this file into this class. And then you can say it as false. So I'm gonna end this executor or something. Okay, this class is done. So now we're gonna say for, not pat, new for, and let's give, okay, why am I writing far though? Okay, so let's say natives.far or something. So we need to create this far file, and then far again needs to be pointing to start buffering, and then this far should also have add from string, and what's the string? This string, I think we can queue anything like this.txt, comma, text. Okay, so now we can say for, now we can start compiling, or stop compiling, set stub, and inside this we have a PHP code which says PHP, and then underscore underscore halt underscore compiler. This is a default functionality though, so this just halts the compiler, doesn't let you work. And end with this, so that should be stopping the compiler. Now what you need to do is you need to create an object. Okay, object equals to new executor. We've already created this executor class above, so we're going to create this and then say object again, and this time we're going to point this to the data, and we can say whatever we want. Okay, so let's say RIPS, and let's say again say for. So this time what you need to do is, okay, set metadata in that object, and now you need to stop buffering, or stop buffering. So it's kind of seems complicated though, but still, if you see it one by one, you can understand it. Okay, so it says start buffering, seems to have some error. Stop buffering doesn't have all that. Anyone? Okay. Let's read this. Syntax error, unexpected variable, line 8. Why is it unexpected? Oh, I have semicolon missed over here. Okay, sorry. Okay, cool. Now it should be able to throw some more errors. Uncaught exception creating archive disabled in PHP ini settings star var. Read only in file 2, stack trace file 7, construct thrown file 2, line 7. Okay. Read only. Okay, it's not letting me create forward thing. Anyhow, let's give 777 file 1.php. and then say the same thing to file 2.php. Let's run the same thing again. php.ini doesn't. Okay. I need to debug on the go. Where is php.ini and search for power read only? Mine is 955 and reads on. The changes to off and be sure the semicolon at the beginning of the line. Okay, no semicolon at the beginning of the line. Restart your server. Okay, where is php.ini? Is that easy? Oh my god. Should try this. There you go. Sudo nano this. Yeah. And then scroll down. Should be able to have. Okay. Let me find this. Search. What do you need to find? You need to find far. Let's see. Okay, remove off. Is it a capital O or small o? Okay. Doesn't matter, I guess. Control X, Y, enter. And restart the server, I guess. Control C. And restart the server. And this should solve the problem. Okay, we have an index.far file. Cool. Now let's go to this, upload this. Should I upload far file? I think yes, I should upload far file. Index.far. And should I just click upload? I think I should upload only this. Okay, actually I could actually do that. Load show.php, which is okay. This actually has the shell, and then let's say proxy intercept file upload. Okay, the file name is this, and then we can say file1.php. Okay, this one has this. Everything looks good. Let's send this. And all right, so it has, okay, so failure mismatch. What do you think? Something seems to be wrong, but this time change the file to native.rar. Okay, cool. native.var and send. Let's see. Okay, 2 files has been sent, and it still says failure MD5 mismatch. Okay, so where is that request? This is the request. Send it to repeater. This time, okay, we need a modified version of it, edited, and then repeater native.var. Okay, so let's say var protocol / and then native.var and then test.txt. This should dump the file. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, I was waiting for this. Okay, cool. Finally, I'm seeing you, Torhat. Okay, tunnel shade in the okay. Okay, this one is completed. I see you, oh Torhat. I see you. Where are you, Torhat? Oh, it's still rank 42. What the hell? Okay, I think that's about it. Let's go to war boxes. And which one should I select now? Okay, click on the levels count. Let's go to Narnia. See. Okay, Father of Physics has done Narnia. Let's see its rank. It's 51. Okay, cool. So let's go to Narnia and see if I can just open it over the wire. Narnia. So Narnia 0, Narnia 0. Okay. SSH, everything is same. What's the port? Port is 2226, and this is crypto. This is Narnia. Narnia, and then say Narnia 0. And this should save in our, okay, so it's not here, but it's in /Narnia. Okay, cool. CD this and ls. Okay, we have binaries and we also have C files. So let's say Narnia 0. Okay, here's a chance. Okay, way off, right? So we need to just find out a solution to this. And let's see cat Narnia dot 0 dot c. Okay, it's gonna check 24 characters, and if it is more than that, it's gonna just dump a huge thing. Okay, so let's say Narnia 0, and then B. Okay, 626262. So let's say okay, it's 414141 right now. So did it do the same thing before? 4141. Okay, cool. A few more A's. It still does the same thing. So is it too much overloading though? Okay, I gotcha. Let's say, let's see, cat or I think we can close this, right? Interesting. So let's say co-e, and then how many A's were it? Not sure. Let's see, A, and then need to end this semicolon, and this should actually dump something. Okay, syntax error. Okay, Narnia 0. Cool, I understand. Okay, here's a chance. Dead beef value. Okay, so what does it mean? Is it ls? Oh, id Narnia 1. Okay, cool. Slash etc slash Narnia, or else let me say bash. Oh my god, it's not working. So did it say where the passwords are? data can be found here, but there's no location for the passwords. Okay, slash PC slash Narnia. Okay, Narnia, yeah, 1. Okay, there's no such file. How do I get the password? I got zero idea. I got a shell, but what can I do with the shell? Can I locate Narnia 1? Okay. Find /type file and then Narnia 1. Find paths must precede an expression. Okay, gotcha. Dash name Narnia 1. Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that beauty. Cat. Gotcha. Gotcha. Let's go. Oh, so I have to use this to go to the next level. So, okay. I understand. Natives, I mean, Narnia. Narnia 0 as Narnia 0. Narnia 1 as this. So exit again, and then say Narnia 1 and give this and beat shell. This should solve the problem. Cool. Now send me to Torhat. Come on, send me to Torhat. Where is Torhat? Torhat, come on. Where are you, man? Okay. Still not close enough. I will find Torhat and then I'll exit from here. 2694 and gotcha. Then 42. Okay, cool. So let me find Torhat first. Where is he? Okay, right here. So 8556. 8556. How can I get that score? 855. Really seems to be impossible. But let's see what Torhat is telling us. Okay. $151 points. $158 points. Oh, it should be more than that. Like, I'm not getting it. Should be more than that. Okay, I understand. So it has already reached this level, but not sure how, but the score kept increasing. I haven't played from since this point, and still the score kept increasing for some reason. Why is that? Okay. Anyhow, reached rank 42, and hopefully, like, I think I reached rank 41 by these charts. Okay. For some reason, like, the score kept increasing for some reason. I don't know. But anyhow, I will continue with Tor Hat from tomorrow, because Tor Hat. Let's see the war boxes that he has completed. Can we look into that? Okay. Think I need to open it right here. Okay, we shall. Let's see. Okay, 70, right? Okay, cool. Narnia. Tell me. Okay. Cheerful Bull. Centaur Hat. Project. Okay. Okay, I think I need to check war boxes. War boxes. Come on. Narnia. Okay. I have done 3 of them. So I have to complete 3 of them and then I should close them. Okay, cool. I understand. So couple more doesn't cause a problem. So I can do that. No problem. But it's gonna be a pain. Let's see, 2 concurrent viewers. Cool. I think you guys gonna enjoy Narnia. So cd/Narnia and ls cat Narnia 1.c. Okay, it needs an egg. So give me something to execute in the environment variable. Okay. So basically, we need something like shellcode. Shellstorm. Shellcode. Alright. I think this shellcode called 607 should do the thing. Okay, it doesn't exist. So I think if I use this, I can get 607. Oh, yep, gotcha. So I'll just have to remove this source code. Okay, this is the shell code that we need. Interesting. Let's copy. Control C, Control V. Remove these things. I think I can just say Shift Tab, Tab, Tab. Okay, cool. So what should I do? I think I can say export egg, because egg is the only environment variable that is in the shellcode. You can see right here. This is the environment variable, so we need to mess with this. So is Perl already installed? Okay, seems to be. Yeah, so we can say backtick. Okay, not here. Backtick Perl, and then execute this, and then what do we say? Print double quotes. I think we need to say one by one. Let's see. Print this, and then dot print this. Dot is just concatenation in Perl, so don't worry about it. Just concatenating everything. Let's do E30, and then let's see 6F, then this, and then this. Okay, seems to be the shellcode is ready. And then we need to close this with a backtick because we started with a backtick. Okay, so let's say we can make a change. Let's see. Okay, we just messed with the shell code, and then let's see if we can run Narnia 1 now. Okay, we got a bash ID Narnia 1, effective user ID is Narnia 2. Cool. So we can say Narnia slash etc slash Narnia underscore pass Narnia 2. Okay, we can see that. And then let's see where to store this. Narnia 2. Okay, cool, done. Let's exit, and then 2. Done and done. VCHL. Don't forget to do VCHL. This is the only thing that actually exists over here. Okay. Okay. Just one more and we're finished. Two triple six. Come on, let's update 2666 and done. Let's see. cd slash Narnia cat Narnia 2. Let's see. And this one has a buffer of 128. This is gonna be a pain in the butt. Let's see. Dollar. Okay, let's see if we have GDP. Okay, GDP exists. So let's say why doesn't it work? What? I cannot see anything. Okay. Or you can say bash exit. Did the shell crash? Okay. GDB and then Narnia 2. Okay. Okay. So disassemble main and then breakpoint at this leave operand. Okay. So Ctrl+C, break at this, actually store this, and then run. Where's this dollar? Python 3 dash C and let's see, print a, how many times? 128 times, because that's the buffer, right? Let's see, continue. Okay. Exited normally. Okay, so let's do the same thing, but this time let's queue something a bit higher. Let's say 140 or something. Okay, so continue. Okay, we got an error, so let's try the same thing, something like a seg fault or something, but anyway, it's 136 and should add, let's say this time let's add b at the end. And how many b's do you want? Let's say 4 b's or something like that. Okay, continue. Okay, nothing. So let's use the shell code that we have run before. Let's see, y, and then continue. Okay, segmentation fault. Okay, we got 42424242. So that's the space where we need to run the shell command. So this one should work. Okay. There's something that's happening. Continue. FFT0. Anyhow. That should have actually worked. Okay. Yes, please. Continue. Continue. Okay. So let's exit. But this time I'm gonna say run this, but just like we did before, we're gonna say something like this. Let's see. And then this should say Narnia 2. Okay, so I forgot this actually as a cat command. What was the command that I used before? Not sure. Okay, echo -e, and then but then I don't need this. Okay, it's let's say semicolon cat semicolon, and all right, let's see this. Okay, did we get something? Oh, nothing. Oh, Narnia 2 argument. Yeah, that's what I did. Isn't that what I did? Why doesn't it take this as an argument now? The same shellcode that we used. No, this seems to be like a different shellcode altogether. I think this is 606. Let's try 606. Okay, this is a bit tiny shellcode. Okay, let's copy that. And this time, let's use the same thing. Let's say run and backticks. No. Backtick echo. I think if I just do this. Double quotes, backtick. Let's see. Should I mention? This doesn't have a segmentation poll though. Not sure if this is gonna work, but let's try Python -c print. Okay. 132. times a and plus some kind of shellcode. I think I can use backslash x96. I think this one. '96. The hell, the shell seems to be crashed or something. Okay. Core dumped. Is there an egg this time? Arnia 2.c. There is no egg. Okay. Seems like I'm looking at this. Is it moving to a different place? Where to get that shellcode, by the way? Not sure if this shellcode actually works. Oh, come on. Okay, did it count already? Okay. So 2 2 8. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 2 to 8. Okay, 57. So 132 plus 57 times. Okay, 57, right? So 132 minus 57. Okay, 75. Okay, 75 times A. So 75 times A. So how can I do that? Python dash C print 75 times A. Okay, let's say Python 3. So this is not able to print, so that's a problem. Okay, so it has to enclose this into a print function. So let's see. Okay, cool. So now I can try doing that. Because if it actually works, it would look really cool. So all I have to do is cut GDB, or else let's say, okay, let's say GDB, and then so Narnia 2, and then dollar Python 3. So I have to write everything in Python 3 though. Print, side print, I have to say 75 times nops is something like backslash x90. Once it is done, we need to say plus, and need to give your shell code right here, which is this. Okay, done. So once this is done, we have to say something like x8 backslash xt5 backslash xff backslash xff. Let's see. Oh, okay, gotcha. Should end the bracket, right? So this is starting with this ending with this. So this should work. Doesn't work. Okay, segmentation fault. Okay, need to try. Let's 606. Let's see. This is a smaller code, shell code. Let me see. So it's all shell code, right? So I don't have to do all this. Let's say Narnia 2, and then let's see if it actually works. Okay, it's just giving segmentation fault. Okay, it should contain 136 characters. Let's see if it actually does. Control C. Okay, 544. Okay, it's actually giving 136, but why? Why doesn't it work? So the shell code seems to be this. So let's make it work. Let's make it work. So the shell code is this now. Battleship. Blah blah blah. Okay. So how much is this? 132. So all we can do is say 132 divided by 4, 33. 33 characters, and then we also need to say 132 minus 133, which is 99, not 90. Let's see, 99. So this should work. We need to say zero. Let's see. And this one should be replaced with the shell code that we got. Oh, oh, I see pin bash. I'm getting close. I just need to find the right count. See, this is actually pretty interesting. 396. Okay, which means I'm right. 99 times this plus that should actually give. Okay, I think I'm just need to do the same thing couple more times. Okay. Run this, but let's keep x42. Okay. Why does it dump this thing? Shouldn't dump. Let's do the same thing again. And this time. Okay. It received something. So it should go back to certain location in memory. That location should be somewhere. Okay, so not sure. Where should it go back? E0. E0. Where is E0? A0. I can see A0. No, E0. Okay. Should go back to the pointer, I guess. It's pretty fucking hard. So I got the right amount of things. All I need is this part. Okay, you're not giving any. Okay, we are getting this. Oh, where's the minus? 140px. This is where ESP exists. Okay, cool. Okay, we can keep anywhere around this area. Okay, FF D4 60, something like this. Okay, so by removing this and keep this in reverse order, FF, FF, and D4 60, D4 6C. Let's see. That's how I should write, right? Okay, we can't keep anything in between, right? So D4 AC. Still nothing. Okay, program received a segmentation fault around this area. D4. D4, D4, is that right? Yes, D4, DF. 4. Getting closer, getting warmer. Should I change the shell? Because the shell actually works actually. Or should I try a different shell? It's actually bash. Okay, let's try the one with the dash. Okay, I think it's 827. So let me get that. 827. So this is the one. Okay. So I can actually remove this. Smaller bytes. Let's see. It's just 23 bytes. A0 FF D4 AC or 6C. Okay, so but this one should be something like 132 minus three. That's 23 bytes, and this one should be deleted. Control C, Control Shift V, and hit enter. Okay, so it executed something. So how can I copy this thing? I cannot. previously I used echo, right? So echo 90. Okay, how much? 132 minus 23. Much 9 and 0. 109. Okay, cool. 109. Can I just count them? X 90. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And remove this. Let's see. What is the end of it? End of it should be the shell code. Okay. Shift C. Okay, but after that it has to go one of these areas. 6C, D4 6C. Echo dash E, then this. I think they should work. GB. This is main. Oh, come on. Okay. Anyhow, just run. Oh. Oh, there's nothing selected. Okay, sorry. GDB. Narnia 2. All right. So disassemble main and let's see. Run this. Could receive something, but it's a segmentation fault. So XW X ESP. Okay, D4E4. 6C69622F. 2F 62 2F 6269 6E. So should I go even higher? $140 px from ESP. Oh. So now it changed to something else. D468. Host lib thread library implementation fault. Okay, this is where we need to stop because it's getting overloaded by like nothing. Okay, anyhow, we can continue tomorrow, no problem. All right, see you next time.